Hey friends, welcome back to Miss G's Read Aloud. Today we are going to read two books and just instead of one. We're going to read The Little Mouse and The Red Striped Strawberry, The Big Hungry Bear. And if animals celebrated Christmas. So I'm going to do if animals celebrated Christmas. If animals celebrated Christmas. And Wide Ford Paul. Pictures by David Walker. If animals celebrated Christmas, koalas high in the tree would cheer. Christmas is coming. It's almost here. Yep, it's rhyming with y'all. Horses would tuck in his head and say his, making a secret holiday wish. Penguin and chick would slowly float, writing letters to Santa on their eyes. Icy float boat. That is not how you spell icy, but I'll keep it. It's just mine though. The bells on orchid thorn would ring. Ting ting a ling ting, a ling ling. If animals celebrated Christmas, koalas and mamas would lazily draft their trees with long stands of berries and grapes. Then they asked owls, can you fly up high? Our top need
Nobody
a star
gives me you do.
puffed from the sky. My hair looks a little bit crazy, so just don't bully me because I did it. And my big sister thinks it is so cute. Maybe if I didn't show you guys, I don't know. But beavers would ground. Trees with his teeth, breaking off branches for a holiday wreath. A sweater for hoglets with fancy frill. Hedgehogs would purr and knit with their kills. A sweater for hoglets with a fancy frill. Now this is one hard book to read. As animals celebrated Christmas, koalas would stir, helping Papa make a yum leafy Santa-shaped cake. Crabs would scamper from the deep dark sea and build a seashell Christmas tree. That was a hard one. Papa and Mama Buffalo would ground greeting and kiss beneath the mistletoe. Ew, that is one disgusting one. crayons, crayons, wait. Crayons color. I know this word, but I can't say it. Crayons.
Oh my.
You know what? Would flap their wings. Hark what the blessed birds all sing. As animals celebrated Christmas, koalas would hang up their stockings and cuddle with Mama and Papa, a holiday huddle. Then, oh shoot, sorry. I don't know if I showed you that. Then she fall asleep in her high branch bed, with visitors of reindeers flying through her bed. A team of them fast on their way. Pulling polar bear, Santa in his gift heavy sleigh. Ho ho ho! Merry Christmas! I already got a message. If animals celebrated Christmas, every creature would deck the halls for this magical season. Don't miss out. The other books is in this adorable series. Oh, one sec, y'all. So I will not read the second book because I've got to do something.
Hey!
Nothing to see here. That was my little question. See you. Bye, and make sure you come to my videos. Well, only videos, not shorts.